Sorry if you're homesick. I just started recording. Which one of these are not functions up here? First one is not. Why? It does not pass the vertical line test. Which one else? The last one does not pass it. These two are fine. They pass every vertical line goes through just once. That means every input has just one output. Yes? Domain and range. Domain is a collection of all the inputs that have outputs, and range is a collection of all the outputs. Does that sound familiar? So domain very often is the x variable values, and the range is the y values. For number one, is that a function? I haven't given it to you in this form before, but for an input of 1, what's the output? -3. So they're given to you in x, y points, yes? Does any input have more than one output? No. So that is a function. What is the domain of that function? No. What is the domain? Domain is all the inputs that have outputs. Just tell me all the inputs.
1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
And you don't want to say 1 to 5 in interval notation, because that would imply that every number between 1 and 5, does 2.78934436 have an output? No. So what are the only inputs that have outputs? And you're like, I've already said it, Jeff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What about the range? What are the outputs?
-3, -1, 1, 3.
What is that first letter supposed to be?
That is a D for domain. Number 2 is kind of silly. What's the domain in number 2?
1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 4. I've already put them together for you, right? So if I ask you, and this is on a quiz or something, I would just put D. Wow! And what's the range?
0, 2.
R. Wow! Okay, you're done. Yes. That's the domain and the range. Now, is everybody with me so far? Domain is all the inputs. So there's 3 kind of distinct ways I can give you a function. I can give you the points. I can give you kind of the sets, the parts here. And of course I can give it to you visually in a graph. Yes? Now look at number 3. Domain is all the inputs that have outputs. Domain is almost always the x-axis, yes? What's the lowest input that has an output?
-2 and -5.
Huh?
-4.
-4. Does -4 have an output?
Yes.
Does -5 have an output?
No.
No! -4 has an output. That's the lowest one, right? So what's the domain? It goes from what to what?
-4 to 1.
All the way up to 1. So I have a little dude. See the little dude? Look at the little dude. Let him walk on the x-axis. The first time he sees the function is in -4. What's the last time he sees the function? 1. Those are all the inputs that have outputs. Why am I using interval notation now? Because is there any number between -4 and 1 that doesn't work? Does -1.5 work?
Yes.
Yes. Does 0.7331489 work?
Yep.
Yes. Okay, maybe. So you only use interval notation if it's continuous. If I'm including every number between. Oh shit.
So we're only going after the black circles, is that what you're saying? Like we would.
Yeah, since those are filled in, I include both, right?
Okay, so which
I'm gonna have an issue over here because there's
What
this.
about the range on that one?
Yeah, we're gonna get there.
Oh.
Range, same thing, except what should my little dude walk along? Not the x-axis.
So I
So if he's walking here, when's he see it first? What value?
-1.
Yeah, so he goes from -5, and when does he lose sight of it?
4.
Yeah, after 4. All those numbers are outputs. All those numbers are inputs that have outputs. All right, so obviously, tomorrow we'll see. I will bring a practice test. I'm gonna kind of guess how far I think we're gonna make it tomorrow. What's the very first thing we're doing tomorrow? Quiz. Yep. Yes. Just to remind you, I'm a math teacher. We are all you. So it's going to be very short and sweet. Quiz tomorrow, and then we'll see how far we make it in chapter 3.
It's on 2.5?
2.5, and that's it. Yes. It's just 2.